Hey everyone, this is Chris from HMR Motors in South Florida Mobility Center. Today I have a 2011 Honda Odyssey EXL with only 92,000 miles. This one's been converted by VMI with their Summit Conversion, making it fully handicap accessible with a power fold-out ramp that deploys to the passenger side sliding door at the touch of a button. It also features a kneel system that lowers the van to reduce the ramp angle for easier entry and exit, along with two Q-Straint retractable tie-downs, a lap belt, and a seatbelt buckle extender for secure wheelchair transport. Being a Honda, it's built for dependability and long-term reliability. This van also comes loaded with leather, heated front seats, navigation, a sunroof, Bluetooth, a backup camera, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate. In this video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior, demonstrate how the ramp works, and then take it out for a drive so you can see everything working and operational. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this VMI Summit. It's super simple and user-friendly. You could deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press and hold the passenger side sliding door button. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly deploy onto the ground. To stow the ramp, just press and hold the same button again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise back up, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, you can also operate the ramp using the factory sliding door button, the dash mounted button, or the button right next to the ramp in the back. This VMI conversion is all about ease, accessibility, and giving you true independence on the road. Let's do a walk around of the Odyssey so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Front looks really nice. Got brand new Firestone tires all the way around. Really nice. He's ready to go. Front door's in really good shape. Skirts are really nice as well. Like a little fading in the roof up top. Little scratch right there. Brand new Firestone tires all the way around. Little scratch right here. Liftgate looks really nice. Taillights look really good as well. Little touch up right here on the bumper. Small little chips. But for 15 years old, I mean, this van's in excellent condition, especially with the mileage too. Super clean. Rims look really nice. Passenger side sliding door looks really good as well. Front door is a little bit of touch up right here. As you can see, there's a couple little scratches. Other than that, everything looks nice. Just little scratches here and there. A couple more scratches here on the bumper. A little bit right there. Windshield looks really nice as well. Hood looks good. You know, it's got a couple little, chips and stuff like that. Little touch up here and there for some rock chips. Just normal 92,000 mile wear. Headlights look really good. Front bumper's got a little touch up right there. Those headlights look really nice.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
All right, start off over here. I've got some cup holders, little storage, super nice. Does have a little, I don't know, it got hit into. It happens in these vans. Back seat looks really nice, really good condition. Does have a little footrest here for your rear passengers, which is awesome. On this side, we have our cup holders, a little more storage as well. Driver's side sliding doors in really nice shape. We also have our privacy shades. Operate the door here as well. You can see our floor channel. We have our channels on the floor for your tie downs or anything else you want to use on the floor. Both front seats are removable. They are on wheels, so you can see that right there. Do have rear air conditioning as well. Let's get that turned on so you guys can see. Oh, hold on. So we can turn it down. You guys can hear all the fan speeds working. It's also got different modes. So super nice, automatic as well. You can also operate the ramp using this button right here. We'll close it up so you guys can see. And we also have a privacy shade here too as well. So super nice. Front door's in really nice shape. Automatic windows, power locks, super clean. Passenger seats, really nice as well. And it's electric, so you can see it moves forward and back, and it reclines. So that works really nice. You have our glove box here. Let's take a look at the back. You do have rear reclining seats. They do fold all the way down. You can see those folded down in the pictures. Do have some storage here and a power outlet back there. Underneath here, we just have some storage. You can see our jack and tools, our two retractable Q-Straint tie downs, lap belt, and seatbelt buckle extender. So that's all there. Underneath here is going to be all of the conversion stuff. So yeah, that's all where that is. And you can close the tailgate by using that button right there. Do have like a little, I don't know, wear on the door panel here. But door panel's in really nice shape. Super clean. Driver's seat's really nice. As you guys can see, it does have power seats as well, so you can see this move forward and back, and it reclines and goes up and down and all that good stuff. So that all works. Let's get inside. Did have the van running here, so I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see that there's no warning lights on or anything like that. Sounds really good. No lights on, just the seatbelt light. So I don't have my seatbelt on. All right, let's take a look around. Just try out all our windows. You can see we have automatic windows for the front here. See all of our windows going up and down. All right, we do have power door locks as well. You see all those working. Over here you can find your factory sliding door buttons. This one will still operate the ramp as well, including your lift gate. Over here we have options to turn the ramp on or off, or the kneeling on or off, so that's where to find those buttons. All right, let's take a look at our air conditioning here. Ice cold AC. Has all the fan speeds. Hear that going. So that works great. Up top, we do have our map. See, we have navigation here. It also does have a backup camera. So very nice. Our radio will be right here. Hear that working. You can access the audio from up here as well if you wanted to. So your phone and all that kind of stuff, all your controls can be right there. Down here we do have some power outlets. We also have a cup holder, a storage drawer. This is actually a cool box, so if you want to keep a drink cold, a really nice feature right there. This VMI button will operate everything with the conversion as well. And then yeah, so super nice.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road.
wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.